Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Quick reminder that the Apex 90% off sale does end tonight. That's midnight East Coast time. That's just over 7 hours from this recording. So if you want to pick up a new account, some more accounts, whatever is going to work best for your trading goals, make sure to do that today. 90% off. And as they have done typically, the bigger accounts are on a super sale. So they're even cheaper than they normally would be at 90% off their regular price. Now, let's take a look at something that happened earlier this morning. So remember that I'm in Mountain Time Zone. So all of these times down here, this is pre-market early this morning. And everything's, just kind of cruising along, heading up, heading down. Fine, that's lovely until 5:38. That's what time this candle would have started. And just take a look at this thing. We closed the previous candle here. We opened just slightly higher on the next candle. And then within the span of 2 minutes, we went all the way up to here, all the way back down. The low of that candle was here. That's an 86-point move. On the NASDAQ, when each point equals $20, that's over $1,700 of range in one single candle in 2 minutes. So there really is no playbook for this kind of situation other than to protect yourself at all times. This market is very, very volatile, as we saw throughout today, but especially some crazy thing like this. Just be very, very careful. And again, this is a great reason to go with trader funding so that you are not risking your own money in these crazy days that we have had recently. There's a link and coupon code down below for your Apex accounts. Tomorrow is also the last day to sign up for Peak Performance Trader, my signature trading psychology course. There's a link for that down below as well. If you'd like to check it out, I'd certainly love to have you join us. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.